from Niambin Studio, and today we're gonna create this really awesome glass marble ball effect in Adobe Fresco app on iPad. It's super easy. You can instead actually making a ball, you can do background for yourself, and why not to just get started. And let me just hide this marble ball here. I have my fill background, which I also hide. It doesn't disturb us. Canvas size, I have A4. You can do any canvas size you want. It's totally up to you. So first things first, we're gonna use this tool called, it's not tool actually, it's live brushes, and we're gonna choose from live brushes oil brushes. So oil brushes and oil paint glaze is our paint today, and brush size is maximum 1024, and the colors are totally optional. I'm just gonna choose some sorry, new layer is needed. I put it up there. Yeah, so I'm gonna choose these pastel colors and a bit vibrant mixed together. So our point is to cover this canvas fully with paint, and I choose not to really paint inside is off, so I choose paint mix quite low, 23, because I don't want that they mix too much now on this canvas, these colors. So I put it quite low like that. Let's just cover our canvas with different colors. Yes, some pink here, and even some white here, and maybe this kind of mintish here. Let's put even lower this paint mix, and a bit light pink here, and a bit purple here. I think that's it, we're covered. Here a bit also. Okay, so now we have this layer selected. We go to transform tool, liquify, and then we choose the first option called war, and it could be quite big. Let's try with 1663 now, and you can see how it starts to do this kind of marble effect on us. Let's make it a bit smaller, 800. Yeah, and you just move your paint as you would like to see your marble going. It's very relaxing actually, not to say meditative. So yeah, you can just play around with this. I'll just keep it like that at this moment. So let's hit done, and then I'm gonna do new layer, and I'm gonna do the same thing which I did before. So let's choose oil paint again, and let me just choose maybe same colors but a bit different place, like that. It can be different colors too, and like that. I'm gonna hide down one because then I can see better how much I have left to fill, like that. Maybe a bit like peachy color here, and more of this pink here. I have paint inside on, that's why I did like that. Let me turn it off. Sometimes it toggles it on by accident. Okay, so we're going very wild with the colors here, as you can see. Alrighty, I think that's it. I'm gonna just add some color dots here and there. Okay, and then we gonna do the same thing which we did before, transform and then liquify warp, and then I'm just doing the same thing again like that, like that. Okay, yeah, all right, hit done. And then we gonna put this down layer again visible, and then we go up again. Then we go to this layer properties here, and we gonna play around with layer properties. So this was the overlay. So the overlay was doing this kind of like a glass effect that we wanted. So you can see through the down one, the down layer, but it makes it like looking a bit like glass. So this is done now. You can actually keep it as like that it would be your background, for example. And I put the fill also here that, you know, some edges might be not filled because we moved the paint away from the edges. So that's why fill would be necessary to add it to down layer as down layer. And now I'm gonna do that ball as well. So new layer, and from these selection tools I'm gonna choose ellipse. I'm gonna double tap here on this action tool because that activates now that shortcut, I mean it activates this like perfect function that it's constrains the proportions perfectly. And then I'm gonna transform it from here to the center. So our ball is in the center. Done. And now I'm gonna move it down here. Okay, I'm gonna fill it with any color. It doesn't really matter. Any color, and I'm choosing pixel. Okay. So we deselect it, and our ball is down here. And what we have to do is we have to just clip it like that from here. This is the clipping place, so this is the clipping mask. And voila, our marble ball is here. So to make highlights for our marble ball, I'm gonna choose new layer. I'm gonna go to selection tool again. I'm gonna choose lasso. And I'm just free-handedly doing some, let me just do it again. So I'm gonna float the things that it would make, you know, a bit like highlight glass effect. And I'm gonna fill it with white. And just white here. And I'm just choosing pixel. And then I'm gonna deselect it. And then layer opacity, I'm gonna choose a bit lower. It's like tiny bit visible, but not too much. And it's totally optional. Yeah, like that maybe. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and that was our marble ball. I can see that here is a bit like, you know, I'm not super happy with this selection what I choose, but for the educational purposes, you understand now that if you do the freehand selections, you achieve this kind of highlight effect. So that was it from me about the marble ball, and I hope you find my other tutorials about different things in Fresco, how to get started, how to even conquer your fear over watercolors. And I have many tutorials out there. You can just go ahead and check them out. So thank you from me, and yeah, awesome, isn't it? Okay, bye bye for now.